Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Abionu James. This is our living room POP ceiling design. Living room POP ceiling design. Work is in progress. What's the cost for this POP? The cost is 11,000 naira per square meter. 11,000 naira per square meter. 11,000 naira per square meter. You can call for our service. If you have such work done. You can contact us on 080 63 09 8718 080 63 09 8718. The price is affordable. Our price is check it out. You can see the finishing. We are at the finishing stage. We're in the finishing stage. We're in the finishing stage for this living room area. And then this is flat one. This is flat one. And the flat one is 3-bedroom apartment. We like to show you the bedroom. We like to show you the bedrooms. And the kitchen area. And the kitchen area. Here's the lobby. Here's the lobby that connects the three rooms together. This is the first room. This is the first room. And then we have this simple design for the first room. So the price for this POP ceiling design per square meter is 11,000. It's 11,000. It's 11,000.